Welcome to Adam Home Cooking. Today we are preparing plantain and chicken saute, or plantain and chicken savory. That's my own recipe, Adam Home Cooking. I have my ingredients here. It's simply like how we fry kelewele. Kelewele is plantain, very ripe plantains, fried. You season it with spices, hot pepper and all that, and you fry it. But me, I'm doing it my own way, my style, which I call it plantain and chicken saute. So this is the plantain that I washed. As you can see, it's overripe, and I slice it like this, and I season it with salt. This is my chicken breast. So I'm just going to, I shred some already, as you can see. I'm just going to shred the chicken breast like that into strips. See? So you get your big chicken breast and then you slice it like that. And I'm going to season this chicken breast with my vegetable stock cube and my peri-peri powder and also white pepper. This is my mixed pepper that I cut from this big one. This is my mixed pepper, and I'm going to just stir fry it after cooking, after deep frying the plantain and my chicken breast. Then I'll mix it together. I'm going to season it with one vegetable stock cube and a little bit of my peri-peri powder. Meanwhile, I'm heating my vegetable oil because I'm going to deep fry this, and also with a little bit of my white pepper. Now my vegetable oil is hot, so I'm just going to sprinkle it with a little bit of flour. You can use white flour, or you can use plain or self-raising flour, any type of flour at all. And then I will fry my chicken strips. So now my sauteed chicken is ready. I'll take it out and I'll fry my plantain. So this is my plantain. I'm just going to season it with a little bit of water. I'm just adding water to my salt. Adding salt to water and then use it to just season the plantain. This is just like a normal plantain. I shred it like this. So I'm going to deep fry this. Now my plantain too is ready. So I'm just leaving the plantain in my strainer for the oil to drain out properly. Or you can also use your kitchen towel to dry off the oil. So whilst I'm leaving the plantain to drain off the excess oil, I'm just going to quickly stir fry my vegetables with no oil in my non-stick pan. I'm not adding any oil because I fried the plantain, I fried the chicken strips. So I'm just like kind of heating this one through. I don't want any oil in this one. So after this vegetable is just heats through, I'll now mix my plantain and chicken saute. So I'm just blanching it because I want it nice and crispy. I don't want to make it soft. And then because I've already seasoned the plantain and the chicken strips, I'm not going to season this one at all. I'll just mix all together, and then I'll mix with my kebab powder. You know, kebab powder is Nigerians also call it suya pepper. Yeah, so I'm going to combine all my ingredients and then spice it up with my suya pepper or kebab powder. So this is my vegetables, nice and crunchy. So this is my fried plantain, this is my chicken strips, and this is my kebab powder. It's very spicy. Nigerians also call it suya pepper. So I'm now going to mix my plantain, the chicken strips, and the vegetables together here. This can be served as a starter or for snack. Yes. So I'll now add my kebab powder or the suya pepper. This powder is very spicy. Got pepper. So here we are. My plantain and chicken saute is ready. Here we are. Special Adam home cooking plantain and chicken saute or kelewele kebab is ready. Enjoy.